Hi, this is Emma calling you from Accident Management Helpline. How are you doing today?
I'm okay, Emma. How are you?
Great. I am actually calling you regarding a previous car accident that happened in the last 2 years when someone hit your car and that was not your fault. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I remember. How could I forget?
Regarding the accident, we have been told that there was some compensation you were entitled to receive for yourself from the other driver's insurance.
Yeah.
So we just want to confirm. Have you received that or not?
No, I haven't got any compensation. It's pending.
Well, according to our records, the accident you had was not your fault, and it was settled in your favor. Is that correct?
Well, it wasn't my fault. I don't know if it's been settled, but it sure wasn't my fault.
What I can do is that I can transfer you to my verification officer, and he can assist you further
Okay.
regarding any question that you had,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
Hi, this is Cynthia with Accident Management Services. How are you doing today?
I'm good, Cynthia. How are you?
I'm fine. This call is about your previous car accident happened to you. That was not your fault. Do you remember that?
Well, of course I remember. Yeah.
Okay. Could you confirm me the month and year of your auto accident?
It was October 15th, the last year.
Okay, got it. Were you injured in that accident? Did you get hurt?
A little bit.
Like what kind of pain did you suffer?
Well, I
Like
got-
neck, shoulder, back?
Well, yeah, all of that, but the worst of it was I got hit in the head, and it seemed to flare up my condylism a little bit. You know, I've got hit in the head pretty hard.
Okay. So could you confirm me, like accident was your fault or it was the other person's fault?
No, it was the other person's fault. I was run off the interstate by my ex-wife.
Do you have any police report that confirms that you were not at fault?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you speak to any attorney before regarding this accident or not?
No, not yet.
Alright. After the accident, you went to the hospital or you just visited your doctor's office?
What?
After the accident, you went to the hospital or you just visited your doctor's office?
Well, both. I went to the hospital, and they looked at me, and then I went to the doctor's office, too, after that.
Okay. Could you confirm me your first and your last name?
My first name is Timothy. My last name
Okay.
is Fanon.
Got it. And could you confirm me your zip code?
Well, the new zip code is 60604.
Just give me a second
Okay.
and let me see what I can do for you. You told me it's 60604, right?
That's right.
Okay. And do you use any email?
Yeah, but I don't know how it works. You know, the kids set that up before they went off to the big house. So I don't know how to use it. Sometimes people send me emails, but then they have to come over and open the email for me.
Okay. And could you confirm the accident happened in the state of Illinois or Wisconsin?
This is in Wisconsin.
Okay, but you told me the zip code of Illinois, 60604.
Yeah, that's right. I live in Illinois, but the accident occurred in Wisconsin.
Okay. So that's the pretty much information that I want to confirm it from your side.
Okay.
Now I'm going to pass your call to the claim specialist. She's going to assist you further and will definitely help you out, okay?
Okay.
Just stay on the line and here we go.
All right, thank you.
Hi, this is Sam with Accident Management Services. How are you doing today?
Well, I'm good.
Thank you.
What? I'm good. How are you doing? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm good.
Good.
Thank you for asking. Your call has been transferred. And you just have worked with one of my associates about your auto accident, and I'm here to help you out regarding the case. So I'm speaking with Timothy Bennett, right?
Timothy Fanon.
Timothy Fanon. Okay, how do you spell it? Fannon, right?
That's right.
are you in Chicago, right?
That's right.
In Chicago, Illinois?
Yeah, I've been in Chicago for about 2 years now.
For 2 years by now. And your accident, in which state this accident was happened?
The accident was in Wisconsin.
It was in Wisconsin. Okay, let me check. Give me a moment.
Sure. Yeah.
Wisconsin. Okay. All right. And you got a police report for this accident, sir?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. And it was not your fault. It was a driver's fault. You're not compensated. You don't have any attorney.
That's correct.
And what about the other person? Do you have auto insurance after the accident? Like at the time of accident?
Yeah, well, it's my ex-wife. My ex-wife was chasing me down the interstate. She ran me into the comedian. It's my ex-wife tried to run me off the road.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So you really wanted to sue her?
Yeah. Well, she hasn't paid yet.
She hasn't paid. Okay, no worries. All right, just give me a second. Yes, I'm back.
Okay.
So, Mr. Fennon, we could definitely help in your case. So, let me just give you a brief introduction about Accident Management Services. So, we are the currently biggest law firm representing all across the United States. And our job is to help out those people who do have auto accidents. But unfortunately, they were not compensated. So, we try to help them, provide them free consultations regarding their accidents, and by this way they get their money compensation settlement. So in my side it shows that yes, you've got a pretty strong case. Obviously she is at fault.
Yeah.
And head and shoulder injury. So I'm just going to transfer a call for the free consultation.
Okay.
So I'm just going to transfer a call to our attorney office in Wisconsin because your accident was in Wisconsin.
Okay.
So I'm just going to transfer them, and they're going to be assist you about your auto accident case.
Okay.
They're just going to, interview you.
Okay.
And they're just going to review the case, and they will definitely help you in this. And do remember, it's a free consultation call, no money out of your pocket, and also we do have no win, no fee policy, which means, Mr. Fannin, you don't have to pay no upfront cost, no money until or unless you win the case and get the compensation, okay?
Okay.
When you win the case, then you have to pay a little percentage that's going to be decided between you and attorney from Wisconsin at the end of the call, okay? If they're ready to take the case. So,
okay.
I really appreciate your demonstrations. Now, just give me a second so I could transfer a call, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I appreciate it. And just try to introduce you by yourself, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. There you go. Yeah, just stay with me.
Okay.
Thank you for calling. All of our agents are actively working with another caller. You are caller 3 in our whole queue, and your wait time is less than 2 minutes. We eagerly look forward to servicing your needs. Please stay on the line. Our agents have been ranked #1 in customer service 3 years since. Thank you for calling in. You're speaking to Kim. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Well, my name is Tim Fannin. What did you say your name was?
It's Kim, K-I-M.
Okay, hello, Kim.
So how are you doing today, sir? You good?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So are you calling regarding your motor vehicle accident claim?
Well, I got a call actually, and I was transferred to several people. They asked about the accident and transferred me to somebody else who asked about the accident who transferred me to somebody else, and then they transferred me to you. Hello?
Hello, sir.
your phone seems to be cutting out. Kim, can you hear
Hello?
me? I can hear you now.
Yeah, I can hear you now as well. I'm not sure what happened.
Okay.
So I was asking if you're calling regarding your motor vehicle accident claim.
Well, I didn't call you. I was called by another company, Accident Management Services or something like that, and I was transferred 3 different times to people, and then the last time I got transferred to you from them. So I'm not calling you. They called me and transferred me to you.
Okay, alright, not a problem. So I'll assist you further with regards to the claim. Just call out your first and your last name for me, please.
My name is Timothy Fannin.
Okay, how do you spell your last name?
Fannon. And what's the name of the company that you work for then, Kim?
It's Mass Attorneys.
Mass Attorneys?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where are you located?
I'm located in Missouri.
Okay.
Yes, so I just gonna ask you a few questions and then I will pass you on to the last person, which is the attorney.
Okay.
So were you injured in the accident?
A little bit, yeah. It just shook up pretty good. Back kind of messed up and hit my head pretty hard.
Oh man, okay, that's awful. Alright, and have you ever made a claim before regarding this accident?
No.
Okay, and was it your fault in the accident?
No.
Okay, and did you receive treatment for at least 3 months after the accident?
No, I just went in once to get looked at. I didn't need treatment for 3 months.
Okay, I see. And when did this accident take place?
October 15th of last year.
Okay. Alright, and do you have medical reports and police reports from the accident?
Yeah.
Alright, that's perfect. So I'm just gonna basically verify your information and pass it over to our law firm and then they will call you back, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so just look out for a call from them. It shouldn't be too long from now.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
All right, thank you. Well, that's kind of a strange one. I've never been transferred quite so far down the line on one of these accident calls because I just can't stop from cracking jokes all the time. But this time, maybe we're going to get a call back from a semi-legitimate business here in the States who might be interested to know where they're getting their leads generated from. We'll see.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, I'm speaking with Timothy Fannin.
Yeah, you are. Who's Timothy Fannin speaking with?
Oh, yes, my name is Sam Gibson. Is that I'm speaking with Mr. Fannin?
Yeah, Sam Gibson. This is Tim Fannin.
Alrighty, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you so much for asking. Mr. Fannin, I'm just calling in regards of your auto accident that you had in October of last year.
Okay.
So, yeah, actually we do have words with you regarding your case about a week ago.
Yeah.
And I just scheduled a call back with you in order to provide you a free consultation with one of the best attorneys in Chicago so you could get your compensation money that you rightfully deserve. So that's the regard I'm calling you back.
Okay.
So is this best time to have words with you?
Yeah, this is fine. What company do you work for, Sam Gibson?
Yes, actually it's an Accident Management Services, and we are the currently biggest law firm representing all across the United States with the help of different partners in law firm. So basically, we are looking out for those people who do have auto accidents back in past couple of years, but unfortunately they were not compensated. So we provide them an assistance, a legal representation, and a representation which leads them to get money compensation for their injuries and car damages, and
Okay.
that's why also I'm calling you.
Yeah.
So right now it's just a free consultation call to have words with attorneys regarding a case to see what are the possible options we do have, so we could help you in getting this compensation settlement done.
Okay.
So,
So hold on. I got to write your name down. I got a pen and paper here. And you said your name was
Okay.
Sam Gibson?
Yes, it's Sam Gibson, SAMDIDSON.
And it's Accident Management Services?
Yes, it is. Sir.
Okay, and where are you guys located then?
Yeah, right now I'm sitting in Boston,
Where?
Massachusetts.
You're in Boston?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so who are you getting? So what are we doing?
Mentioned you earlier. Yep. Yeah, I'm listening. Go ahead, please.
I'm just wondering what we're doing next.
I'm really sorry. You're just cutting in and out.
What are we
Can
doing?
you repeat that again?
What are we doing next? What do we do?
Yes, what we are doing here is right now I'm just going to transfer a call as we do have words with you on last week regarding your accident. So I'm just going to transfer a call for the free consultation.
Yeah.
So they could assist you about your case, like provide you a free consultation on it, like what are the possible options we do have, so we could help you out, okay?
Okay.
So what you have to do is I'm just going to transfer the call, and if an answering machine comes up on the line, let me just dial the buttons on your behalf so you will not get confused. And if a live person comes up on the line, simply introduce you by yourself and they will provide you free consultation regarding your auto accident, okay?
Okay. That sounds fine, Sam. Yeah.
Appreciate it. Please stay on the line. Let me transfer. There you go.
Okay.
Just bear with me for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, just give me a moment. I appreciate your time and patience.
Nope.
So, in the meantime, I just really wanted to confirm that information to make sure that we both are on the same page. So your accident, it was in October of last year, right?
That's right.
And you got a head and shoulder injury in the accident, right?
Yeah, I hit my head.
Okay. And you give a doctor visit regarding your accident.
Yep.
It was a third party fault, not yours, and you are not compensated, and you don't have any attorney, right?
That's correct.
Got it, sure. And was there a police report that confirms, yes, Mr. Fannin is not at fault?
That's correct, yeah.
Okay, got it. So would you just briefly describe me about the scenario, how your auto accident was happening?
Like I told everybody else, I got run into the comedian strip in the interstate.
Oh my goodness. So it's your fault?
No. No, another car
Okay.
ran me in. Another car ran me in, and it was pink Cadillac.
Oh.
Ex-wife was driving it. And no, she was at fault.
Okay, got it. Got it. No worries, no worries. Just give me a moment. Yes, just give me a moment. I appreciate your time and patience. All right. All right, just give me hardly just 14 seconds more. Okay?
14 seconds?
Thank you. Yes, already gonna be just left 8 seconds.
That's kind of a strange number of seconds to ask to wait, Sam. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? That takes 14 seconds.
No, actually, I'm just trying to reach out to our law firm, okay, in Chicago.
Okay.
So they could provide you free consultation. So actually, when I just try to dial the number, it shows a count of 4.
It sounds what?
So it shows, a count of 14.
A count of 4T?
14. 1-4.
Account 14?
Yep.
I don't have any idea what you're talking about, Sam. Are you transferring me to an attorney, or what are we doing here?
Yes, actually, as I mentioned you earlier, again and again, I will try to explain you that I am just trying to pass your call to our attorney office.
Okay.
Okay. As I mentioned earlier, we are working all over the U.S. What we do from here is we try to collect information. Okay. And then we refer the cases to our attorney office in different states.
Okay.
So those attorneys could help them and provide them, just to look into their cases, right?
Say, Sam, you said all that already. Is there some reason that you're not transferring me to the attorney?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand that. What did you say?
Well, I thought you were going to I thought you were going to transfer me. Why, you haven't transferred me yet. What are you doing?
Yes. That's what I'm trying to do. Just give me a second. I actually just need a little more.
Well, yeah, you said a second, you said a minute, you said 14 seconds, and I just wondered what's going on.
Yes, just give me a moment. Give me a moment, okay? Alright, just go on.
Who is it that you're trying to call? Sam? Sam?
Yes, I'm here. Just give me a second. I really appreciate your time.
Who are you trying to call?
Like, you want a name? That what you say?
Well, all you said before was that it was an attorney, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, does he have a name? What are we doing?
Sir, actually, as I mentioned earlier, we're working all across the United States, okay? And the thing is, I'm just trying to connect you to them for the free consultation, okay?
Okay.
I don't have any name in front of me. As I mentioned, they're a group of law firms, okay? And basically, we work from them, and we just provide them and, refer them cases. So if you just bear with me for a second, so I can transfer a call. Let me try one more time.
Yeah. There you go. Sam?
Hi, you calling for a car accident lawyer?
Hello?
Hello?
Sam, are you...
Yes, are you calling for a car?
No, I just got transferred from Sam. Sam, are you still on the line? I don't think Sam is here. I got a call from Sam at Accident Management Services, and he's transferred me. He said he was in Boston, and he's transferred me to you. Who is this now that I'm talking to?
Yes, Timothy, can you hear me?
Yeah. What happened to the other person?
Sure. Actually, I transferred your call to our attorney office, so do let them know about your case, okay?
Yeah.
Do let them know about your accident details, okay?
Well, I was going to do that, and then the person is... What happened to the other person that just picked up the phone?
Yes, they just picked the phone. Basically, it's an inbound call that I'm just trying to do on your behalf. I'm just trying
and I was talking to her for a moment, and what happened to her? Where did she go?
The line was just dropped.
Oh.
So that's what I'm saying. Like, they're going to think like Timothy Fennon is calling us directly. So we're just trying to help you. We're just trying to provide you the free consultation regarding this accident.
Are you going to dial the phone again?
Try one more time.
Yeah, dial the phone again.
No, I'm here. There you go.
If you've been injured in a car or truck accident and would like to speak to an injury lawyer about your case, press 1. All other calls, press 2. Please enter the zip code where you need a car accident lawyer.
What are you pushing in, Sam? What buttons are you pushing?
If the accident caused injuries that required ongoing medical treatment, press 1 for yes. Press 2 for no. Were you placed at fault, ticketed, or cited for the accident?
How are you answering these questions,
Is this a hit and run
Sam?
car accident? Press 1 for yes. press 2 for no.
Sam, well, how come are you answering all these questions?
Within the past 2 years? Press 1. Do you already have an attorney representing you in this? Please hold while we connect your call to a local car accident lawyer. Law offices, how can I help you?
Sam, are you still on the
Hi, how
line?
can I help you?
I was just I got a call from Accident Management Services, and now Sam has disappeared off the line, but apparently he's transferred me to you. Can you hear me okay? Hello? Sam, I feel like you've got your phone muted. I don't know what's going on there, but I gotta tell you, you seem completely incompetent. Are you gonna dial the phone again? They just keep calling. Who's calling?
My name is Kevin O'Brien. I'm an attorney, and I think you were connected or attempted to be connected to my law office on a call 2 days ago. Did you want to speak to an attorney about a motor vehicle accident or injuries you sustained?
No, but I'd like to speak to you about how your leads are generated. I'm wondering, do you spend money on lead generation? And if so, I want you to know you're getting scammed. I have a scam baiting channel. I just harass phone scammers all the time. And before I got connected with your office, I got transferred on 2 separate occasions through 3 or 4 different people. They don't know my name. I'm on the do not call list. I just feed them a bunch of lies and they keep sending me forward, and I put it up on YouTube. This is the first time I've ever got a call back from an actual legitimate businessman here in the United States.
Well, it seems like you were connected to us and then disconnected. So I have an 11-second phone call that was either put through or connected to my office. That's all.
Okay.
I don't have any information about you except that at some point you probably told someone that you were involved in a motor vehicle accident.
Yes.
If that's not true, then you have been scammed by whoever the connecting party was, and I think you said it was Accident Helpers or something like that.
Accident Management Services, I think, was the name I was given most. I wrote down several different names that they gave me throughout the course of the...
I have to tell you, I've never heard of Accident Management Services.
Yeah, they don't exist. I looked them up online. They don't exist. I asked one lady who I was speaking to, she said mass attorneys. That also does not exist, that I could find in a quick Google search.
Okay.
But yeah, I get these scam calls all the time. They're always asking, have you been in an accident in the last 2 years? And they run you through and screen you. Before they transferred me the last time, they said, make it sound like you're calling, not like you're being transferred. And I didn't understand what this was all about. I don't know why they did that.
We frequently receive transfers from something called Accident Helpers, not Accident Management. That's the first time I've ever heard of it.
Okay.
So, first of all, I apologize for them taking up your time. I'm going to tell them that you want to be on their do not call list. Is that correct?
I've been on the do not call list for 19 years.
And yet you're getting calls.
Oh, I get calls, 30 or 40 scam calls a day. The accident ones like this, I probably get 2 or 3 a day.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Well, my apologies. I'm responding to an 11-second attempted connection. I'm going to tell them that you're on the do not call list, and I'm going to tell them not to bother you.
Well,
so I hope that works.
Well, I really appreciate your time. I think you just need to realize that these people are just sourcing, fraudulent leads from absolutely anywhere they can. It's not just me on the do not call list that they're talking to. I do have a YouTube video pretty much finished, and I was actually going to upload that today. Would you like me to send you a link so you can see what I went through before we got to your 11-second message?
I'm sorry. sorry, say that again. Would I like you to send me a link?
Yeah, I've got a video that's just about ready to be posted on YouTube, and if you'd like a copy of this, if you'd like to see, I mean, it's a 20 or 30 minute video where I talk to these people over and over again, on and on, over 2 separate days. They called me, and if you'd like to see the video, so you know who I was talking to and the experience that I had before this, I would be more than happy to send you a link if you'd like to see it.
I appreciate that, but I don't have the time, and I'll just call them and contest this and tell them not to bother you.
All right.
Sorry about that, sir. Have a good day.
No need to apologize. Thanks very much. At least you didn't hang up on me too. That was nice.